安啊，就你接咗佢用啊。
Eye drops. Eye drops, okay?
Well, I started Chitara Soup Kitchen in 2006, and it was my concept to do this, and then I asked my very good friend, Dr. Ruby, to head it for me, which she graciously agreed. And ever since then until now, we've been serving the public primarily by giving food. And today was her daughter's idea. Her lovely daughter's idea was to give face masks out and eye drops because it's running out for stores. So we had to look all over the place to find the face masks. It wasn't very easy. And what we want to do is to let the public know that the haze is very bad, and we can't give face masks and eye drops to everyone, unfortunately, but people need to get these. People need to get the mask, and they need to protect their health because it can get very, very bad. And that's the message we wanted to send out. And our expectation from the public, give us your good blessings that we can continue our good works for everyone.
Are you going to be doing them more as well?
I might be. It depends on what time and the location. So definitely, because these are my people and they do a good job. And they're 100% devoted and out to serve the public. So I'm very happy. Yes, I would like to show you this lovely young lady who came up with the idea. May I?
Yes.
Can I? This is Dr. Ruby's lovely young daughter who came out with the whole idea. She WhatsApped me this afternoon and said, let's do it. And I said, okay, and here we are. And that's all I wanted to add was, and thank you very much for coming and helping us to let the public be aware to protect themselves. Thank you very much.
Saya paper lah.
Chinese paper.
Chinese, Hindi, apa semua sekejap.
Ya, mana?
Open the window, tell them it's for the eye.